Oh my God, I am with my friends today and we're going to go somewhere sa mga barangay yata. Saan ba tayo? Hindi sila makaibig. Nanibago. Okay, so they are my old friends here in Calapan City. This is Danny. Hello. Ayan siya. This is Joel. Hello, Joel. And this is Benhar.
Barangay chairman sa Pilipinas.
Oh, yes. He is a barangay chairman. And they are prominent figures in Calapan. Hindi sila chika-chika lang. May mga mahalaga silang vision sa buhay. And every year, lagi kami nagsasama-sama. Kasi kami rin naman magkakasama-sama nung una pa. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung saan kami. So, this is Calapan. Ayan siya. At maya-maya siguro magbibigay kami ng reaction video. Kasi I've seen this video of Regine yung araw-gabi. Kalalabas lang yata kahapon at marami ng viewers. Marami nag-request sa akin na magbigay ako ng reaction tungkol dito. So, malalaman mamaya, panunuorin namin yun at magbibigay kami ng aming mga reaksyon. So, I hope you stay. Gusto ko talaga makita at makapaglakad-lakad dito sa mga palayan. Hindi naman sa dahil hindi ako nakakita ng palayan ng bata pa ako dahil sa bukid din naman ako lumaki. Namiss ko lang talaga sila. Yung ganitong mga scenery. Alright, so we're supposed to talk about Regine Velasquez araw-gabi. Pero napagkasunduan ang aking mga kaibigan, yung kay Khalil Ramos. I don't even know Khalil Ramos, but I've been hearing that name. So I became interested as well. So, magre-react kami ngayon sa kanta ni Khalil Ramos and I hope you enjoy listening to his voice and watching video as well. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go.
Forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life.
Pero ABS-CBN, no?
When sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your life. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Wish concert.
So, anong masasabi ninyo?
Oh, very nice.
Oh, ngayon ko lang siya nakitang mag-perform, pero naririnig ko na yung pangalan niya. And he looks good. At kahit kumanta siya ng mataas o ngumuwi ang kanyang mukha, ay gwapo pa rin, sa totoo lang.
Pa-girl naman si
I'm beginning to like
it.
it. Alright, so walang masabing masama ang aking mga kasama.
Thumbs up.
First time nilang mapasama sa aking video kaya medyo nag-aalangan pa sila. So we are in a bukid, literally. And kainitan ng hapon. I think this is only 1 o'clock. Right? So maghahanap kami ng ilog para kami ay maging sariwa, kumbaga. So we like Khalil's performance. Everybody likes.
Yes.
Everybody liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so everybody liked it. And we will support Khalil Ramos because I see him penetrating movies as well in the future. Kung meron na hindi ko masyadong alam because hindi pa ako masyadong sanay sa mga balitang artistang Pinoy dahil matagal nga ako sa ibang ibayo.
Love triangle yan
Nino?
ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Fred Padilla sa Princess and I.
Ah, okay, I remember. Oh my God. I didn't know that he was that boy. Siya pala yun. So kilala ko na siya. So Khalil. So it's you have our support and we wish you more power. At sa kanyang mga fans, just continue supporting your idol. So thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Robato saying arigato gozaimasu and I'm in the Philippines. I'm enjoying every minute of being here. Thank you.